How to integrate Airtable with Hubspot. Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can integrate Airtable with Hubspot. So sit through and watch to the end. Ensure you watch to the end once again so that you don't miss any important information. So let's get right into it. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account. Once you're logged in and you're brought to this page, by the time you move to the top right corner, you would see your account icon. Once your account icon and you've clicked on it, in the box displayed you'll see integrations. Click on it, then the window displayed, click on connect to your account and then search for Hubspot in the box. If you cannot find the Hubspot option or the account here, don't be perturbed. Just move to your web browser, open a new tab and type out domain name for a site called sapia.com, and then you have to create an account. Ensure you create an account. Once an account has been created, you will be brought to your home page. On this home page, by the left side, you will see the create button icon. So just click on it. Once you click on it, in the box displayed, select SAPs. Alright, and then you wait patiently for the SAPs page to load. Once it has loaded, you will be brought to a page where you'll be asked to create a trigger as well as an action. So just click on trigger, and then once you click on trigger, you'll be asked to select a trigger. Your trigger has to be Airtable. Then once you've selected your trigger, you'll be asked to choose an event. Alright, either new or updated record or new record. I'll be working with new record. Then click on continue. Now my email has been added already. This is my Google account has been added already. That's why it's displaying this. But for you, you'll be asked to connect your email. Ensure you do that. And then you click on continue. Select the base you would want to work with. Alright, so after selecting the base, you have to select the table as well. So after selecting the table, it is optional. Then once you're done, click on continue, and then you can decide to test out your trigger by clicking on test trigger. And then once the trigger has been tested, you can now select a record that you don't want to work with. After selecting the record, click on continue selected record, and then just like that, you'll be directed to a page where you have to choose your action. Now for the action, you then select Hubspot, since that is what you want to integrate with your Airtable account. So after selecting Hubspot, you can see it here. Then the event, you just click on create on custom actions, then click on continue, and then you'll be asked to sign into your Hubspot account. Alright, so just click on sign in, then use the Google account that you used to register on your Hubspot to sign in. And then once the account has been added, your Airtable and the base would be connected automatically to your Hubspot account. So it is that simple. This is how you can connect or integrate Airtable with Hubspot. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.